Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make money through freelancing. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, freelancing has emerged as a viable and rewarding way to earn income while enjoying the freedom and flexibility to work on your own terms. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to explore new opportunities or a recent graduate seeking financial independence, freelancing offers a plethora of possibilities. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets to becoming a successful freelancer. Understanding freelancing. What is it? Freelancing, in a nutshell, refers to working independently and offering services to multiple clients on a project-by-project basis. It involves leveraging your skills, expertise, and talents to provide value to clients across various industries. Freelancers have the liberty to choose their clients, projects, and working hours, making it an appealing option for those seeking work-life balance. Identifying your skills and niche. To excel in the world of freelancing, it's crucial to identify your strengths and niche. What skills do you possess that are in demand in the market? Discover your passion and combine it with your expertise to create a unique selling proposition, USP, that sets you apart from the competition. Building a powerful portfolio. Your portfolio is your ticket to attracting potential clients and showcasing your abilities. Create an impressive online portfolio that highlights your past projects, testimonials, and relevant information about yourself. Remember, an eye-catching portfolio can significantly boost your credibility and marketability. Choosing the right freelancing platform. With an abundance of freelancing platforms available, it's essential to select the one that aligns with your goals and target audience. Popular platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a wide range of opportunities across various industries. Setting competitive rates. Determining the right pricing for your services is a crucial aspect of freelancing success. Research the market rates for your skills set and experience level, and then set competitive yet reasonable rates that attract clients without undervaluing your expertise. Crafting an irresistible proposal. Your proposal is often the first impression you make on potential clients. Craft personalized, persuasive, and professional proposals that demonstrate your understanding of the client's needs and how you can fulfill them. Navigating client relationships. Client relationships are the backbone of a successful freelancing career. Learn effective communication, active listening, and conflict resolution skills to foster strong and lasting connections with your clients. Time management and productivity. Freelancing demands self-discipline and efficient time management. Explore time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, to enhance your productivity and meet project deadlines effectively. Leveraging social media and marketing. Social media can be a powerful tool for promoting your freelancing services and building a strong personal brand. Learn how to leverage different platforms to reach a broader audience and attract potential clients. Networking and collaborating. Collaborating with other freelancers and professionals can open doors to new opportunities. Attend industry events, webinars, and virtual networking sessions to expand your network and discover potential partnerships. Staying updated with industry trends. The freelance landscape is constantly evolving, so staying updated with industry trends and advancements is crucial. Engage in continuous learning through online courses, workshops, and reading reputable industry blogs. Managing finances and taxes. As a freelancer, managing your finances and understanding tax obligations is paramount. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor to ensure you are handling your earnings responsibly. Expanding your skill set. Diversifying your skill set can open doors to new opportunities and higher-paying projects. Identify complementary skills that align with your core expertise and invest time in learning and mastering them. Handling multiple projects. Juggling multiple projects requires exceptional organizational skills. Implement project management tools and techniques to streamline your workflow and ensure each project receives the attention it deserves. Dealing with difficult clients. At some point, you may encounter challenging clients. Learn how to handle difficult situations with grace and professionalism, maintaining a positive reputation in the freelancing community. Upselling and cross-selling. Once you have established a rapport with a client, explore upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Offer additional services that complement the client's existing project, increasing your overall revenue. Building long-term relationships. Building long-term relationships with clients can lead to recurring projects and referrals. Focus on exceeding expectations and delivering exceptional results to foster lasting partnerships. Navigating freelancer burnout. Freelancer burnout is a real concern. Learn to recognize the signs of burnout and implement self-care practices to maintain your physical and mental well-being. Embracing a growth mindset. A growth mindset is essential for freelancing success. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and continuously seek ways to improve your skills and services. Showcasing testimonials and reviews. Positive testimonials and reviews from satisfied clients can significantly boost your credibility. Request feedback from clients and display them prominently on your website and profiles. Understanding intellectual property rights. As a freelancer, understanding intellectual property rights is crucial when delivering creative work. Ensure you and your clients are on the same page regarding ownership and usage of the final deliverables. Expanding beyond freelancing. As you gain experience and success, you may consider expanding beyond freelancing. Explore the possibilities of starting your own agency or transitioning into a different business venture. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity. Not every endeavor will yield immediate success. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, making you a stronger and more resilient freelancer. Celebrating your freelancing success. Last but not least, take time to celebrate your freelancing milestones and successes. Recognize your hard work and dedication, and let it fuel your motivation for even greater accomplishments in the future. FAQs. Q. How much can I earn through freelancing? A. Earning potential in freelancing varies widely based on factors like skills, expertise, and demand. While some freelancers earn a modest income, others can make six-figure earnings annually. Q. Is freelancing suitable for beginners? A. Absolutely. Freelancing welcomes individuals from various backgrounds. As long as you have marketable skills and the dedication to succeed, freelancing is a viable option for beginners.